Ready? Let's see how bad the line is. Oh my. Look at that. How many people? How many people do you think? They're all the way over here?
Keep going. Keep trying. Keep trying. It's down there.
What the hell?
If you were like me last weekend at the Dragon Ball pop-up tour at American Dream, or you're on any of the upcoming stops, you may miss out on some event-exclusive figures like I did. I waited 11 hours in line, and while I managed to get the Figuarts Super Saiyan Goku, the Super Master Stars piece figures I really had my eyes on sold out while there were at least 200 people in front of me. That's when I turned to today's sponsor, JPFans, to order them straight from Japan, since there was no way I was going to wait in line this long again.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Nor was I going to pay those outrageous scalper prices on eBay. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get them for a fair price, in case you miss out on them online, or if you can't make it to these events at all. JPFans is a proxy service that buys items on various Japanese online marketplaces on your behalf and stores it in their warehouse in Japan for up to 60 days, and when you're ready, they'll ship the items to you. How do you get started? Register on jpfans.com or in the app. If you click on the link in the description or use my invite code here, JPFans will let you know you came here from me, and you'll get some international shipping coupons that'll help you out later on. When you log in, you'll be presented with a few different marketplaces. I prefer using Mercari, so let's go with that. If you scroll down, you'll see that they have a dedicated Dragon Ball section, which is great if you just want to browse everything Dragon Ball, but if you want something more specific like the Genkidamatsuri figures, this is what I do. For the Genkidamatsuri event figures, I'm going to Google Genkidamatsuri in Japanese and try to find the translation. I'm going to grab mine from Kanzenshu, which is always reliable, copy the Japanese phrase, then go back to the search, paste it in, and make sure you pick direct search on the desktop or the A icon in the app. Then you can search what you're looking for. Here are all your search results. What I like to do is to sort by price low to high. Then to get rid of some of these low price items that we're not looking for, I scroll down by price range and go into about 10,000 yen, which is around $65 to $70, and apply. Then I'll scroll down to see what I'm looking for. You can see that the individual figures are starting to appear around $120, which is pretty good considering for retail, Super Saiyan Goku was $90, and for Ultra Instinct Goku was $120. You'll end up paying a little bit extra with shipping and customs, but it's nowhere near what people are selling them for on eBay. If you keep scrolling, you'll see bundled items which can help save you some money, such as Goku and Vegeta together, here, and here, or Super Saiyan Goku and UI Goku. And even at about the price range of $330, you start to see the Figuarts Super Saiyan Goku, which I'm not so sure is worth it at this price, but again, it's better than what you see on eBay. For me, since I'm looking for all three Super Master Stars piece figures, these are the kind of listings that I'm looking for here. Then I'll go into a listing and take a look at the product photos. I try to make sure that they actually have photos of the product before I hit buy. This one looks like a good listing here, and comes with some extra goodies. Once you find something that you're confident in, you add it to your cart. Before you check out, make sure you go to your account and click coupon to make sure you claim any discounts. Since we're shopping on Mercari, you can claim this one. Then go back to your cart, check off the items you want to check out, and submit. Then all you have to do is buy now. Once the item is in their warehouse, this is what it looks like. This set is the one I purchased while I was waiting online at the event. This is the original photo that appeared on the original listing of the figures, and these photos are the quality assurance photos that JPFans took. If this is everything you want to order, you can just select the item here and submit it for weighing. But if you're like me, I like to add a few more items to bundle
Yeah, boy.
to try to save on shipping costs per item. Once everything is weighed, you can go ahead and take a look at the shipping options available. On my previous order, which I unboxed on the channel, I ordered some lamps, so these shipping options weren't available to me, so just keep that in mind.
Once you select your shipping method, make sure you apply your shipping coupons to maximize your discount and pay, and you're good to go.
Depending on your country, you may be charged with some custom fees. I'm based in the US, and on my previous order, I was charged with a tariff fee, but with recent rulings in the US, that may be different this time. Register with the link in the description and the pinned comments, or use my code below to get your 15% off shipping and get your additional shipping coupons. Thanks to JPFans for sponsoring today's video and for giving me the opportunity to buy these exclusive event figures. And thank you for watching. Hope this helps. See you next time.